Le visage, the face. So we just saw the human body previously, and so we'll continue with le visage, if that's okay with you. Let's hope so. So let's start now. Les sourcils. Les sourcils. Okay, so it's quite strange because you get this LS at the end, but then, well, you don't pronounce them. Les sourcils. L'œil. L'œil. Strange combination of vowels here, okay? And then you will get the sound and then y. Œil. Alright? And it's masculine, by the way. Un œil, l'œil. Okay? Plural form, les yeux. Okay, so that's the tricky thing when you compare the singular form and the plural form. Okay, so l'œil, singular, and then the plural, les yeux. Okay, you make this liaison between the two. Les yeux. Okay, final X not pronounced. Les yeux. Les cils. Les cils. Final S not pronounced. Les cils. La joue. La joue. Final E not pronounced here. La joue. La gorge. La gorge. Okay, remember when you get this combination G and O, you get the sound go, go. Okay, so gorge. And then G and E gives J. La gorge. La gorge. Le front. Final T not pronounced. Le front. Okay, remember this nasal on, on. Le front. Le menton. Okay, same thing here. So you get two nasal. The first one here, en, and then the second one here, on. Le menton. L'oreille. Remember, when you get this E-L-L and then a vowel, it's Y, Y. L'oreille. Alright? And it's feminine, by the way. Une oreille, l'oreille. Le nez. So remember when you get this combination, E-Z, here at the end of a word, it's E. Le nez. Le nez. La bouche. So remember, C-H combined together will give you this sh sound. La bouche. Okay? La lèvre. Remember, accent grave here. Really open. La lèvre. La lèvre. La bouche. Again, I don't know why. Don't ask me. I was tired when I made this one. So, la bouche. One more time. La langue. Remember, when we've got this G and then U and then E, we get the sound G. G. Because when you combine this G and then E, remember it was the sound J. Okay, so you get to put this U between the two to get the sound G. G. So you get la langue. Langue. Okay? La dent. Final T not pronounced. La dent. Les cordes vocales. Les cordes vocales. So you can notice that as usual in French, you've got this mark of the plural at the end, S, and then S here as well, but you don't pronounce them, okay? Les cordes vocales.